Hello everybody, welcome to a new tutorial on ukulele. Today I'm going to learn you the mantra Sita Ram JJ Ram, and it's requested by Anya. So Anya, thank you so much. You sent me a link by email, and this mantra is from Renee Sunbird, and I really love this version. So thank you, thank you, thank you for showing it to us all. I'm going to play it for you, and I hope you like it and that you can play it afterwards. That was the intro, Mitzi. Now we play the song, okay? Sita Ram, JJ Ram, 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 Sita Ram, JJ Ram. Whoa, Mitch. Sita Ram, JJ Ram, Sita Ram, JJ Ram. Shall we do island strumming now? Yeah? Okay. Sita Ram, JJ Ram, 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 Sita Ram, JJ Ram. Oh, Mitzi. This is the way I play it now. Mitzi wants some attention, and I think he really loves the Sita Ram, JJ Ram. Yeah, that's you, Mitzi. You're on YouTube for Sita Ram, JJ Ram. What's that? That's you. Okay, guys, I'm going to explain you further on how to play this mantra. It's a bit messy today, but I think Mitzi needs some attention. So give him love. Come on, it's okay. It's you. Okay, serious, I'm going to explain you how to play. Yeah, that's you. Kiss. Kiss. Yeah. The chords that you need for this mantra are A minor, the F chord, the G, and C. So for this mantra, I was using two picking patterns, one for the intro and one for the mantra itself. I'm going to show you now in this clip the picking pattern for the intro. I will mute the strings first. To let you know, string 1 is a G string, string 4 is the A string, and what I do is the following. Let me see how you can see it like this more, I think. 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3. 1, 2, 3, 2, 4. And 4 I take with the ring finger and 3 with the middle. So again, I show you. 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3. 1, 2, 3, 2, 4. I will put the chord A minor now on it so you hear what I'm doing. It's like 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3. Then it goes to F. 1, 2, 3, 2, 4. Then it goes normally into G. 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3. And then again to A minor. 1, 2, 3, 2, 4. That's the intro. Let's look now at the picking pattern for the mantra. So the picking pattern for the mantra, Sita Ram JJ Ram, is the following one. I show you again on muted strings. It's 1, 2, and then string 3 and 4 you take together. I take string 3 with middle and 4 with index. I call it plus, and then you go to 2. So it's like 1, 2, plus 2, 1, 2, plus 2. If I put that on a chord like A minor, where the mantra starts with, you hear it like this. And on every chord, you play this picking pattern twice. So it's like, then normally F comes, then G comes, in the first part of the mantra, and then A minor. But I show you that in the next clips how you can play it. So let's play the mantra together, but I will cut it into pieces for you. We start with the intro together, then I show you the pattern again from the mantra itself, and then we play it with singing together. So the intro you play on A minor, then we start to go to F, then to G, and then to A minor again. The pattern is, as you saw before, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, and that twice. So A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, then you go to F, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, then you go to G, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, and A minor again, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4. Then we start normally singing the mantra, and the picking pattern, as you know, is 1, 2, plus 2. Let's play that now with the mantra. A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sita Ram, J, J, F Ram, Sita G, J, J Ram on A minor. Oh, wait, I will do it over, okay? Okay, A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sita Ram, J, J Ram on F, Sita Ram on G, J, J Ram on A minor. And then you repeat this again. Sita Ram on A minor, J, J Ram on F, Sita Ram on G, J, J Ram on A minor. Then the second part of the mantra, you go more up with your voice, so you rise your voice up, and also that you repeat twice. And then it starts in F. Sita Ram, J, J, A minor, Ram, Sita on C, Ram, J, J, Ram on G, Sita, F, Ram, J, J, A minor, Ram, Sita, C, Ram, J, J, Ram on G. And then you can choose to play the island strum also. Island strum goes down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. If you play that with this mantra, it goes as follow. A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sita Ram, J, J, F Ram, Sita Ram on G, J, J Ram on A minor. Again, Sita Ram on A minor, J, J Ram on F, Sita Ram on G, J, J Ram on A minor. And then you go up with your voice, as you know. Sita Ram, J, J Ram on A minor. Okay, here I am again. It was black. So, okay, let's do that again. The higher part, you start in F. Sita Ram, J, J Ram on A minor. Sita Ram on C, J, J Ram on G. Sita Ram on F, J, wondering how that went for you and if you can play it now. So I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, that you can play the mantra Sita Ram JJ Ram. If you liked it, thumbs up. You can subscribe to my channel or tell your ukulele friends so we can play together. About playing together, I give online classes if you like. Then we dive deeper into the mantras, and if you have some things going on with it, I can help you to explore it and also to learn you more the skills. So yeah, if you want that, you can always send me an email. Also, if you have a request, let me know. I will try to figure it out for you. And for now, I want to say thank you. See you next time, and I really enjoyed it. Bye bye.